my blessings overflow so sweet. My joy, my joy, my joy. Dance like I never danced before. My joy, my joy. Lift my hands and praise some more. My joy, my joy, my joy. Oh! My joy, my joy, my joy. When the rain falls,
Oh my God, they're still alive.
surely grow my joy. No dey borrow, no sorrow, no sorrow. Hallelujah, they my soul. Gratitude, they make me whole. Call on response, let's raise up. Oh, ti ṣe fún mi, oh, ti ṣe fún mi, oh, ti ṣe fún mi.
Are you ready for the Haitian legume?
Jesus is worthy of all the praise. Shout hallelujah, yeah, yeah. Dance and sing, celebrate His mercy. Shout hallelujah. Oh, dance and sing.
I make Haitian legume. It's one of my favorite, and I went in a place in Queens and get some blue crabs alive. To be honest with you, I'm a little bit scared. I love them, but I don't like the fact they're still in life because they can bite you, and they bite really hard. So, but guess what? We're gonna find a way. We have meat, we have feet of pig. We also have meat that we seasoned last time, so I can tell you how it's gonna taste so good because we do have them seasoned for over 3 days now. We have more meat and beef. The reason why I wanted a lot of meat in my legume. Haitians are very cheap when you buy. They're very cheap with meat in the Haitian restaurant. It's so funny because Haitian are cheap with meat, Jamaican are cheap with rice. I don't know which one of them. So legume is a mix of vegetables with meat, with seafood, and seasoned with a Creole flavor. You cannot not love it. You hear me? Are you ready for it? I think I'm gonna turn the video off.
That she's arguing with the devil. You're just a human. He's one of the archangels. Contending with the devil. He disputed about the body of Moses, durst not bring against him a railing accusation, but said, the devil? No, you're being tempted. There's no negotiation with the devil. It doesn't work that way. He's only going to deceive you. There's no conversation. There's no compromise. We don't get. They've already trusted in Jesus, so here's what I'll do. I'll get in their tongue, and then I'll get in the other tongue, and I'll work back and forth, and I'll have dissension and separation in the marriage. That's how the devil wants to work. Family of God, this morning, I'm warning you, be careful with your mouth. It's very dangerous. A little fire, right? We need to shelter our mouth. We need to defend against words coming out we don't want to come out. Not talking with who we shouldn't. We need to speak love and truth and life, not death. And what do you say in Proverbs 31? The law of kindness. Is that law in your tongue? I hope so. Continuing in Genesis 3, look at verse 3.
After cooking,
but of the fruit of the tree which is in the midst of the garden, God hath said, Ye shall not eat it, neither shall ye touch it, lest ye die. And the serpent said unto the woman, Ye shall not surely die. For God doth know that in the day ye eat thereof, then your eyes shall be opened, and ye shall be as gods, knowing good and evil. Here he's introducing evil. Mind you, they already knew good. When he created them, he said it is good. He created everything for him, it's good. He created Eve, he said it's good. The last day, he said it's all very good. So they knew good. But they didn't know evil. They didn't understand the extreme of evil and harm. So Satan is introducing evil, and he says, your eyes will be opened up to what? To evil. Verse 6, and when the woman saw that the tree was good for food, and that it was pleasant to the eyes, and a tree to be desired. Do you see what's happening here? She's desiring, she's lusting after what she sees. The devil says, I'll open your eyes to evil. And she looks and she likes it. And it says she saw the tree was good for food. It was pleasant to the eyes. I
Careful
want to
with
talk
your
about
eye
the eye
and your
door,
ears.
if you will. What do they put on horses? Blinders. Some of you teenage boys probably need blinders. Right? Everybody, you're like, hey, what was that? You know? I mean, that's what a horse would do. It's like, there goes a car. That's a car, right? That's my dog. He is, oh, that's a car. You're like, what are you doing? You can't get to it. There's a fence. You know you can't get to it. You still chase it. Well, some of us are like Christian butts. You know,
Made by
we
me.
just chase after everything we see that we think we want.